Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Nosebot Nasal Aspirator is probably one of the most essential tools for parents dealing with a stuffy-nosed baby, offering a gentle yet effective solution to clear nasal passages and ensure your little one can breathe, eat, and sleep comfortably. This innovative device is designed with both the baby's comfort and the parent's ease of use in mind, making it a must-have for any household with infants or toddlers experiencing congestion. Number 5. Frida Baby NoseFrida SnotSucker. Tired of struggling with your baby's stuffy nose? Introducing the NoseFrida SnotSucker, the ultimate solution for clearing nasal congestion. This nasal aspirator is designed to gently and effectively remove mucus, providing quick relief for your little one. It's a must-have for any parent dealing with a congested baby. Using it is simple and straightforward, making it easy for parents to help their babies breathe easier. No more struggling with traditional methods. It comes with 24 extra hygiene filters to ensure a clean and safe experience every time. Your baby's health and comfort are our top priority. Give your baby the gift of clear breathing with the NoseFrida SnotSucker. It's the reliable nasal aspirator that parents trust for effective congestion relief. What we like? This is the original manual nasal aspirator. It uses parents' suction to clear nasal passages, offering a gentle yet effective way to help your baby breathe. If you prefer a hands-on approach and want complete control over suction, this is the one for you. It's ideal for parents who want a simple, reliable tool without any electronics. What people say? It's simple, powerful, easy to clean, and I feel like I have more control. Clears my baby's nose fast and gives instant relief, especially during colds. It clears out congestion way better than the traditional bulb aspirators and is much gentler on my baby's nose. The design sits at the nostril instead of going inside, which makes it safer and more comfortable. The little filters keep you protected from any mucus getting from them to you, so rest assured that will not happen. Number 4. Frida Baby NoseFrida SnotSucker. Introducing the NoseFrida SnotSucker, designed for comfortable and gentle nasal suction. It creates a seal around your baby's nostril, clearing congestion without discomfort. Unlike bulb syringes, it's safe for delicate nasal passages. Our SnotSucker includes disposable hygiene filters that are clinically proven to block mucus and germs. This ensures every use is clean, safe, and sanitary for both you and your baby, offering peace of mind. Specifically engineered for newborns and infants, it provides instant relief for stubborn snot. This helps your little one breathe, sleep, and feed more easily, making it essential for cold and allergy season. Cleanup is simple as key parts are top rack dishwasher safe. The clear tube can also be sanitized for added hygiene. This reusable device is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. The box contains 1 nasal aspirator and 4 hygiene filters, so you're ready for baby's first sniffles. It's compact for diaper bags, making it easy to bring relief wherever you go. This essential baby care item qualifies for FSA/HSA reimbursement, making it a smart choice for your family's health needs. What we like? This electric nasal aspirator offers convenience with adjustable suction levels and soothing music and lights. It's designed for effortless clearance and a more pleasant experience for your baby. If you're looking for a quick, efficient, and distraction-filled way to clear congestion, especially for fussy babies, this is a great choice. Its rechargeable battery makes it perfect for on-the-go use. What people say? The suction is strong but controlled, and the hygiene filters give great peace of mind. The design is hygienic and easy to use, with replaceable filters to ensure safety. There is a sponge at the back of the tube where the boogers are sucked, and that prevents anything from coming up the tube you are sucking into. Number 3. GROWNSY Electric Baby Nasal Aspirator. Clearing your baby's stuffy nose has never been easier. Our device offers adjustable suction levels to quickly and effectively remove all types of mucus, making it a must-have for new parents. Designed with pediatric ENTs, this baby nose sucker features anti-backflow technology and soft, food-grade silicone tips. It's engineered for your child's safety and comfort, providing gentle care for delicate nasal passages. Make nasal cleaning a pleasant experience with built-in music and light functions. The ultra-quiet motor ensures a peaceful environment, turning a routine task into something your baby can even come to love. Forget manual methods. Our upgraded design features a larger suction chamber for enhanced efficiency and hygiene. It provides consistent power, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Enjoy up to 30 days of use on a single USB-C charge. Its lightweight design and included storage case make it perfect for travel, ensuring your baby's comfort wherever you go. The transparent mucus collection chamber detaches easily for simple cleaning. Just rinse with warm, soapy water to keep it hygienic and ready for the next use. What we like. These are the essential replacement filters for the original manual nasal aspirator. They ensure each use is hygienic and prevents the transfer of germs. If you already own the manual aspirator and want to maintain optimal performance and cleanliness, stocking up on these is a must. They are crucial for keeping your baby healthy during cold and flu seasons. What people say. It's very effective at relieving nasal congestion, it's safe and gentle, and best of all, it's easy to use and clean. Once you learn how to use it properly, it really works well. For toddlers, apply suction in one nostril while flushing the other side with saline. When your toddler coughs, it helps pull the mucus out. Flooding one side with saline while using suction on the other creates pressure, suction, that helps draw the mucus out more effectively. It has light and music if you need to distract them. The suction power it's good and removes all buggies. Number 2. NoseFrida filter refills. These are the original replacement hygiene filters designed for your NoseFrida SnotSucker. They ensure effective booger removal for your little one. Replace the filter after each use to maintain optimal suction and prevent mucus transfer. This keeps every aspirating session safe and sanitary. Made from non-toxic, chemical-free materials, these filters are safe for your baby and you. Enjoy worry-free use even with frequent aspirations. Stock up to ensure you always have a fresh, clean filter on hand. They are especially important during cold, flu, and allergy seasons. This pack includes 20 original hygiene filters. You'll have plenty of replacements for long-term, daily baby nasal care. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for nasal relief, including the manual aspirator and saline spray. The saline helps to loosen mucus, making it easier to remove with the aspirator. If you're looking for a bundled solution to tackle congestion, especially for newborns, this is a convenient all-in-one option. It's perfect for new parents preparing for their baby's first sniffles. What people say. This nasal aspirator is very effective at clearing congestion. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold, making it comfortable to use. It has multiple suction levels to choose from, catering to different needs. Number 1. Frida Baby Cold and Flu Saline Kit. Meet the ultimate solution for your little one's cold and flu symptoms. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide relief and comfort when they need it most. It includes everything you need to clear nasal congestion. From the gentle nasal aspirator to the soothing saline spray, we've got you covered. Our specially designed nasal aspirator effectively removes mucus, making breathing easier for your baby. It's simple and safe to use. The included saline nasal spray helps to loosen and thin mucus, making it easier to clear. It provides gentle, effective relief. We've included extra hygiene filters to ensure a clean and sanitary experience with every use. Keep your baby healthy and comfortable. This 12-piece set offers complete care for your baby during cold and flu season. It's the essential tool for every parent. What we like. This electric nasal aspirator boasts powerful suction and an upgraded larger chamber for enhanced efficiency. It also features calming music and lights to soothe your baby during the process. If you need a robust solution for stubborn mucus and want a device that makes the cleaning routine more enjoyable for your little one, this is an excellent option. It's designed for parents seeking maximum convenience and effectiveness. What people say. The boogies get nowhere near the mouthpiece and is completely sanitary. The NoseFrida nasal aspirator works incredibly well, gentle yet effective, and makes clearing congestion fast and stress-free for both baby and parent. Works great, and I love the saline spray cause it softens up before you suck out the boogers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.